You may have been told by your doctor to reduce your prolactin levels for better health and fertility. Prolactin is an essential hormone that is secreted by your pituitary gland, and it has many functions in the body, one of which is to produce milk for breastfeeding women. Thus, it is really important for lactation during early years of motherhood. However, high prolactin levels in women can cause a lot of problems related to infertility, disturbance in your menstrual cycle, and problems with your bones such as osteoporosis and osteoarthritis. Ayurveda provides effective treatment options to balance your hormones and to reduce your prolactin levels naturally. Hi, this is Nidhi Bansal here from Medhya Herbals. We help women to gain health with all natural and holistic principles of Ayurveda, and in this video I will share with you causes and symptoms of high prolactin levels and what can you do from Ayurvedic natural perspective to reduce your prolactin levels and to balance your hormones so that you boost your fertility and to support your health in a natural way. Let's get started. Prolactin is secreted by your pituitary gland. In addition, pituitary gland is also the primary endocrine gland. It secretes other reproductive hormones such as the luteinizing hormone and the follicle stimulating hormone. That's why whenever there is disturbance in the levels of prolactin, it also disturbs other vital reproductive hormones such as estrogen and progesterone in your body. Thus, hyperprolactinemia also leads to fertility problems, problems with your menstrual cycle, and also affects your overall physical and mental balance. Additionally, it has been observed that 50% of the women who have high prolactin levels also have low thyroid levels or an underactive thyroid, which further leads to problems of metabolism and hence weight gain, slow digestion, digestive disorders, excessive kapha or excessive mucus and fat in the body. Increased levels of prolactin in men and women can lead to different symptoms, and it can also differ in children who are in their growing phase of life. However, there are several signs and symptoms that indicate that one may be experiencing high prolactin levels in specific. Here are some of the symptoms that one may struggle with when there is an imbalance in hormones, especially related to high prolactin levels in women. Irregular or no menstrual periods, problems related to fertility, weight gain. You may also experience problems related to mental wellness such as mood swings, irritability, depression, high levels of anxiety, or problems related to your overall mental balance in general. There may also be poor bone health related issues such as osteoarthritis, joint pain, back pain, and high level of body pains and muscular pains. There may also be extreme levels of fatigue and tiredness experienced by women due to poorly managed blood sugar levels that happen as a result of high prolactin levels. This is because prolactin also disturbs the level of insulin in your body, which is essential hormone for your metabolism and hence your blood sugar levels. That's why women with high prolactin levels also experience low blood sugar and low blood pressure in general. You may also have extreme dryness as experienced on the skin, and some of the symptoms related to this are hot flashes, vaginal dryness, dandruff, and extreme wrinkling of the skin. As I said, there may also be kapha increase in the body as experienced in hypothyroidism. Thus, you may have problems with mucus and hence frequent congestion of the lungs. You may also have problems related to high androgen levels, which further lead to problems of acne, facial hair, and hair loss on the scalp. In teens and children, high prolactin levels can really affect their growth. That some of the problems related to hyperprolactinemia are delayed puberty and also stunted growth in children. That's why whenever you are experiencing these symptoms, then you should always consult your doctor to check your hormone balance, especially the levels of prolactin, estrogen, thyroid, and progesterone in your body, so that you are able to get an indication of what you need to work on. Hyperprolactinemia in women, if ignored, can lead to health complications related to infertility and problems in conceiving. It also affects your ability to breastfeed your baby, and also it can lead to problems in pregnancy related to premature birth. High prolactin levels also severely affect your bone health, and you may experience extreme weakness of your bones or osteoporosis as a result. That's why it is really important to address the levels of prolactin in your body at the right time and prevent these health complications. Now let's look into the causes of high prolactin levels. So the first thing that affects your prolactin levels is the level of your stress and your mental balance. High levels of cortisol can stimulate the production of prolactin by your pituitary gland. That's why whenever you are undergoing chronic stress, then it really triggers imbalances in your other hormones, especially prolactin, estrogen and thyroid. This is also the reason of high prolactin levels that are observed in general in men and in women who are not breastfeeding and who are past their reproductive years. Another reason which can lead to high prolactin levels is Prolactinoma, which is a pituitary gland tumor. Due to the presence of this tumor, the pituitary gland is stimulated to produce excessive amount of prolactin in the body. However, there are natural treatment options available in Ayurveda that can help you out to get rid of this tumor and hence prevent the damage caused by high prolactin levels and also prevent the health complications which happen as a result of it. Some other reasons of high prolactin levels in your body are some of the hormonal imbalances that one experiences during PCOS, hypothyroidism. When there are these chronic hormonal imbalances, it also affects the level of other hormones, and prolactin is one of them. So prolactin disturbs the other hormones and it also gets disturbed by these hormones because all of these are interrelated, and hormone balance in your body is really an interdependent play of multiple hormones. They are being secreted in a regular rhythm based on your circadian rhythm or the flow of your biological clock. Whenever there is disturbance in biological clock function due to internal or external factors, then it also disturbs the flow of hormones and also of prolactin. Now do note that if you are experiencing any of these causes on a short term, for example stress on a short term, it doesn't really disturb your prolactin level to this extent. But when you are going through chronic stress, then you are really prone to develop high prolactin levels and multiple other hormone imbalance symptoms. In Ayurveda, hormones of the body can be compared to the Dhatav Agni or the digestive fire of the body tissue. Dhatu is the body tissue. So these hormones are essentially stimulating the growth of your body tissues such as your blood tissues, your skin, your muscles, your fat tissues, your bone marrow or the functioning of your nervous system and hence your mental balance. Also of the reproductive organ system such as regular ovulation and regular menstrual function, which also affect your fertility. Ayurvedic treatment for hyperprolactinemia can really help to reduce the levels of prolactin in the body by flushing out excess hormones, by regulating the production of prolactin through the pituitary gland, and also by balancing other hormones in the body. Now let's look into specific Ayurvedic treatment measures that can help you to lower prolactin levels in your body and gain health in the long term. So the first thing that you can do is to take support of Ayurvedic herbal supplements. Ayurvedic medicines are potent herbals that can penetrate the deepest of the tissues and hence pull the toxins out. Ayurvedic herbs also carry a lot of micronutrients that your body is deficient in as a result of the chronic imbalances in the digestive fire and the buildup of toxins. These herbs help to balance the hormones in a systematic way so that regular menstrual cycle is restored. Here is a list of Ayurvedic herbs that help to lower prolactin levels, balance estrogen, progesterone and cortisol in the body. Thus they help you to relax, boost your immunity and restore your fertility. Second thing that you can do to balance the levels of prolactin in your body is to take a healthy diet. A diet rich in nutrients such as vitamin B1, magnesium, zinc, selenium carries the vital nutrients that your body needs to produce right quality and quantity of prolactin hormone. They are also the nutrients that your body is lacking as a result of high prolactin level. That's why do make sure to include healthy foods such as beans, grains, lentils, which are vital sources of vitamin B6, healthy fats such as pure oils, seeds, nuts, fatty fish, avocado and dairy. For magnesium, you can specifically include green leafy vegetables, bananas and a lot of culinary herbs. For zinc, go for seafood, pumpkin seed, beans and lentils that can help you to replenish this vital mineral for balanced hormones as well as higher immunity. Now the third thing that you can do to reduce your prolactin levels is to practice yoga and pranayama. Yoga and pranayama are powerful tools to reduce the stress in the body. They help to infuse a lot of prana, the vital living force that helps to improve circulation throughout the body. It also calms the mind and increases helpful neurotransmitters such as dopamine, which further help to balance the levels of prolactin in the body in specific. Some of the yoga asanas that will help you to lower the levels of prolactin, balance hormones and boost your fertility are here. The fourth thing that can help you to reduce prolactin levels in the body is to balance your blood sugar levels. Imbalanced blood sugar levels that are fluctuating all the time, sometimes going high, sometimes going low as a result of poor eating habits or insulin insensitivity. It can lead to a lot of internal stress inside because your blood sugar levels are going upside down. It raises the level of cortisol and hence the levels of prolactin inside the body. That's why when you are balancing your blood sugar by improving your eating habits, including complex carbohydrates and foods that prevent the dips and rises of blood sugar levels, then it can go a long way to balance the prolactin levels in the body as well. The fifth thing that you can do is to reduce your alcohol intake. Alcohol, specifically beer, is one of the common reasons for higher prolactin levels in women. Alcohol is really dehydrating. It creates an imbalance in vata and pitta and also stimulates your body in a completely abnormal way. It also creates a lot of load on your liver, thus reducing its functionality to actually detox excessive hormones, in specific prolactin and estrogen from the body. That's why when you reduce your alcohol intake or remove it from your lifestyle altogether, then you will find that you are able to balance your prolactin levels as well. The sixth thing that you can do for balanced prolactin levels is to reduce stress. This thing I have emphasized throughout this video. It is really important to reduce your stress levels, to manage your mental health and to really calm down, slow down and focus on the things that are most essential in life. Sometimes we get carried away with all that is happening around us. We feel lost and we don't know what to do. It stresses us out. At the same time, any kind of change inside our routine or any abruptions from what we are expecting also creates a lot of stress. That's why it is really important to plan things out. If you are going through emotional trauma or any kind of stressful life event, then you should seek external help or try to engage yourself in productive activities that will help you to balance your mental health and find peace in a natural way. The seventh thing that you can do to lower prolactin levels is regular exercise. Exercise is one of the best ways to get rid of excess hormones in your body. For example, high levels of estrogen, high levels of androgen and high levels of prolactin, which are kind of coinciding and hence disrupting your health. They all can be balanced by regular physical activity, which helps you to sweat it out and get rid of these excess hormones. At the same time, exercise can help you to relax, calm your mind down and keep your body in shape too. Excess body fat also generates a lot of excessive hormones, specifically estrogen in your body, which further leads to a hormone imbalance, vicious cycle from which it is very difficult to get out. So the whole machinery works in synchronization. When you are taking all the steps, you are putting the pieces of the puzzle together to balance your health and to achieve freedom from your symptoms. Now, the last but the most important thing that you should do to balance your hormones, boost your fertility and get rid of the excessive prolactin from your body is to get regular sleep. Good sleep is key to good health. This is one of the most essential pillars of health in Ayurveda along with your diet and lifestyle. When you are clocking in 6 to 8 hours of sleep every night, then you are making sure that you are keeping your hormones in balance. You are letting your body to detoxify in a natural way. And also you are regulating your menstrual cycle, which is really bound to the flow of circadian rhythms in your body, of which sleep is an essential part. So say no to all late night activities, late night eating, late night entertainment, which is keeping you away from that good night's sleep and it is also affecting your health in a bad way. So that was all. I hope you found it useful. Do leave your comments and suggestions. I'll get back to you. Do subscribe to the channel. That way you will stay updated with the latest Ayurvedic tips to stay in the best shape of your health. and do share this video with your friends and family who will find it useful too. I will see you soon in the next video. Until then, bye.